Hi, Lynn. How you
Every
doing
year
today?
towards age, it's like,
Right?
oh, shoot.
So tell me, how was your experience with the design consultant that came to your home?
He was very good, but he should not agree all the time. Sometimes, no, ma'am, you don't understand.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah, no, we love
But
the
he
inputs.
was
Yeah.
really good.
Great.
He was good.
And I see the floors turn out really pretty. We were just talking about that. I love the way it opens up the room
Yeah,
and
ask them if they're going
everything.
to come in and do the rest of my house
Yeah.
as a Christmas present.
Right. I wish. Well, you will get 30% off your next flooring for letting me come in and do the testimonial today. And then, how was your installers that came in?
I adored them.
Great. Good.
I really did. It was like they knew what they were doing and they explained everything.
Oh, good.
Like this floor, instead of going like this, I wondered why they went this way on that one, and
Right.
they explained, told me. When I asked them to help me move something, they were right there. They did.
Good.
No, they were great.
Oh, that's
And
so
to
good.
boot, they were easy-going and fun.
Yay! That's what we like. Yeah.
Gotta work. Screw this.
Right.
They were,
They make it personable.
They were laughing together and
Great.
having fun. And
Yay.
that's good for an old
Yes,
woman.
it's good for anybody.
Laugh.
Getting that smiles and laughs out. I totally agree. And then how was your scheduling process from start to finish? Was it a simple process for you?
Hell no.
Okay.
If your company would have kept all the grandchildren and great-grandchildren, all the roommates that are crashing here, then it might have been good.
Right?
You know?
I love it.
No,
I love
but
it.
It was
Oh,
normal.
good.
They did, they tried to get out early so you could be calmed down. And,
Right.
yeah, so-
Great. Well, thank you, Lynn. I appreciate you having me today. You enjoy the rest of your week and your beautiful floors, okay?
Oh, I love it.
Thank
I do.
you.